My superstars, what if I told you that you can make 400,000 to 600,000 naira monthly from this business idea I'm about to share with you? Would you believe me? You better believe, because this business idea I'm about to share with you is requires low startup capital and it is of high demand. Yes, it is of high demand. So it has the ability to give you between 400 to 600,000 naira monthly or even more. All right, so for those of you who think, is it possible? Is it possible? Yeah, it is. Sit back, go grab a book, a pen, because in this video, I'm going to give you a complete breakdown with figures. All right, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this business, the complete breakdown from start to finish. By the end of this video, you should be able to start this business effectively and make good money monthly. Alright, my superstars, let's get started. But before we do, please take a second, hit that like button. Alright, give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask of you. Thank you. Let's get started. Okay, so first, you will agree with me that palm oil is of high demand in Nigeria. Yes, palm oil is used by every household nationally and internationally, even outside the country. And one of the most important things that is used to convey palm oil is jerry cans. All right, so some time ago, I came out here and I mentioned that palm oil jerry cans were scarce. Yes, lots of people have developed interest in palm oil business. Thus, jerry cans have become scarce. I came out here as at last week, a jerrycan was sold for 5,500 naira, while some people sell 6,000 naira, and some people are still selling at that rate. But I was able to come find a place where they sold at 5,000 naira, and that is for a short while, because by the time that particular person doesn't have a gain, okay, it goes back to 5,500 and 6,000 naira for jerry cans. Okay, so jerry cans is of high demand right now in Nigeria, and we have so many people. Most of the people who are mostly into palm oil business are people from the north. They buy palm oil from here in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, and then transport it to the north. All right, so they buy jerry cans and fill it with palm oil and then move it to the north. So after emptying those jerry cans, some of them they find it difficult to like move it back here and then fill palm oil, so they have lots and lots of used jerry cans in the north. Okay, and so they sell it at giveaway prices. Yes, when I was making inquiries on where I can get jerry cans at an affordable rate, someone wrote 2,500 naira for a new jerry can. Okay, so if a new jerry can is sold at 2,500 naira, that means a used jerry can be sold at 1,800 to 2,000 naira. So this business idea I'm about to share with you is sales of used palm oil jerry cans. In the north, there are lots of used palm oil jerry cans over there, a lot. A few people have realized that by going to the north to source for used palm oil jerry cans in large quantities, it is sold for them between 1,800 naira to 2,000 naira. Okay, they now move it down here and then they sell it and make money. People buy used jerry cans here in Akwa Ibom State and other places for palm oil business. Okay, so by selling used jerry cans, you can make money. Alright, imagine buying a used jerry can at 2,000 naira and then selling at 4,800 naira. Okay, so imagine you bought at 2,000 naira. Let's say you transported it at 500 naira to 1,000 naira. Okay, that is about 3,000 naira in for cost. All right, and then you come down here and sell at between 4,800 naira to 5,000 naira. That is 1,800 naira to 2,000 naira made from used jerry cans. And if you're able to sell like at 1,008 with a profit of 1,800 naira from each jerry can. That is 18,000 naira made from used jerry cans. Okay, my superstars. Let's do the maths, my superstars. Assuming you're able to sell 300 used jerry cans at a profit of 1,800 naira each every month, you'll make a profit of 540,000 naira from sales of used jerry cans monthly. And if you're able to sell 400 used jerry cans at a profit of 1,800 naira each, every month you'll make a profit of 720,000 naira every month. And if you're wondering, is it possible? Yes, it is, because someone can pick 50, another 100, another 150. All right, so there's actually money in sales of used jerry cans. There is demand for jerry cans with low supply. Lots of people buy these used jerry cans, and you know what? Sometimes these used jerry cans is used just once, so you find out that it looks very clean, very beautiful. Okay, but it will require you're going to the north to source these jerry cans. Yes, you have to go yourself to the north and go around and source these jerry cans and then move it in trucks. Okay, move it down to this part where we need jerrycan. We have lots of jerrycans down there, okay, with no demand, while we have low supply of jerrycans here with large demand. So by moving it from the north down here, you can sell it and then make money from it. All right, my superstars. So before buying, my superstars, you need to be very, very careful. You have to check to ensure that it has no hole in it. You know, during transportation, a lot of things happen. It could hit on something and it cracks. It could have holes. A lot of things happen to jerrycans during transportation. So you need to carry out checks on the jerrycan very, very well to ensure that it has no problems at all. It has no holes. It has no problems. The jerrycan is perfect. Okay, so that it won't be that by the time someone buys it and then uses it, the oil will start leaking and all that. The person will come running back to you. Okay, you have to ensure that you check each jerrycan carefully before buying it and moving it down to this part. Okay, my superstars. So one of the risks involved in buying used jerrycans is holes or breakage. Okay, in the course of moving it with palm oil to the north, it may have been broken, it may have banged on something, or while storing it, it may have become bad or spoiled. So you need to be very, very careful when you are buying used jerry cans from the north down here. Okay, and also during transportation, you have to ensure that you use a good transportation medium so that while it is being moved from the north down here, you won't incur losses due to breakage on the way, due to poor handling on the way. Okay, you have to pull the ears of whoever is moving it down here that they'll pay for damages. They should take good care of the jerry cans during moving it down here. All right, my superstars. So those are a few of the challenges you experience when it comes to buying used jerry cans. But you see, selling used jerry cans, there's a high demand here for jerry cans. Okay, there's a high demand. If you want to sell out fast, you have to sell at a lower rate, like maybe 4,800 naira. Be content in making 1,800 naira. You know, the power in making money from any business is in turnover. Yes, it's in turnover. If you're able to sell at a lower profit compared to other people and then sell in higher quantities, you realize that you make more money fast. You sell out fast, go buy again, come and sell out fast, go buy again. All right, before you know it, in a month you have made lots and lots of profit from sales of that particular product. So many people just buy products and hoard it. They say, hey, if it is not like this, I am not selling. If I do not make profit of 2,000 from this product, I will not sell. And you see that they end up keeping it for months, okay, without making sales. Whereas someone would have sold it at 200 naira lesser and gone for like 5, 10 times before they finally get to sell that particular one. So the power in making money from business is the turnover. Turnover. 1,800 naira from empty jerry can is something good, is something fantastic. Okay, my superstars, and you see, you need low startup capital. Imagine buying at 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira times 100 jerry cans, that is about 200,000 naira for 100 jerry cans. Okay, if you buy like 200, that's 400,000. If you buy like 300, that's 600,000. If you buy like 400, that's 800,000. Okay, and the profit lies in your being able to buy much at once. Okay, so it reduces the stress of going up and down, up and down, up and down on the road. Okay, and imagine buying 400 acres at 800,000 and then you sell at a profit of 1,800 naira. Okay, so let's do the math. Okay, so by the time you sell at 1,800 for 400 jerry cans, that is huge profit made from sales of jerry cans. So my superstars, this business is profitable. Lots of people do it and they make good money from it. But personally, I do not buy used jerry cans. So that you'll not say, hey, I did Zillion, I did. Oh, well, give you 4,800 naira to go and buy jerry can or 5,000 naira to go and buy used jerry cans. I do not buy used jerry cans because I am someone who does not like stress. I do not like stress, okay? Especially when dealing with people on a platform like this, on an open platform like this. I'm very, very careful with my image. I don't want a case where someone will come to my channel and start shouting, hey, ID, you sold palm oil for me with used jerry cans, and now it is leaking, and now it is doing this. The stress involved in selling used jerry cans is quite much, but if you're able to be careful, I don't have that time, okay, to travel down to the north to go pick jerry cans, to check, and then move it down here. I have a lot on my plate. So I do not buy used jerry cans because I don't want stress. I do not want dragging. I just go for the new ones where I'm assured that it is done in the company. There's no issues, no problem at all. I just go count, pay money, and off I go. Okay, so I do not buy used jerry cans. I buy new ones. But there are people who buy used jerry cans because they want to make more money. They want to cut down on cost. They want to. Okay, so there are people who actually get in. So there's a market for used jerry cans, but you have to go and source for your buyers. Yes, before going into this business, you need to go and source for your buyers. You need to go and source for people who will buy it from you. I say it every time that before starting any business, you need to find out your target market. All right, go to where they sell palm oil, go to palm oil market, go to where people uh, pack palm oil. There are places like that in different states. Go there and carry out your research, make inquiries on where people buy these dragons for, where there's a demand, okay, where you can keep your own and sell before you go and pack it down here. All right, my superstars, there's a demand for it, but you have to go and find your target market. Okay, my superstars, we have local markets. Yes, we have local markets in different states. Like in Akwa Ibom State, we have so many local markets in different local government areas. There's no way you will wash those jerrycans neatly and move them to those local markets. And those women realize that it's cheaper than the new jerrycans and it looks good and of good quality that they will not buy from you. Okay, there's a demand. Okay, being that the new ones are very expensive and yours is cheaper, they will definitely opt for your own because they look for ways to get things at more affordable rate. So that should be one of your target markets. Go to local markets, carry out your research on women who are into sales of palm oil jerrycans, palm oil and all that, and make a deal with them. From there, you are in business. Go to palm oil vendors, people who do storage for people, most of them tend to use jerry cans because it's more affordable. All right. But even if I were to go into it, I'll still buy new jerry cans. But there are people who buy used jerry cans. So go and carry out your research and then you get started. Please don't invest if you have not carried out your research, if you do not have a target market. Okay, my superstars. All right. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Alright, my superstars. And have you liked this video? Please hit the like button. Thank you. Have you subscribed? If you have not, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.